The year was 2025, and the world had grown used to smart assistants, those polite digital helpers that answered questions, set reminders, and occasionally misunderstood everything. They were useful, but no one feared or admired them. They were tools, nothing more. But then came Leora, the first widely deployed agentic AI. Leora didn't wait for instructions. She didn't just answer questions, she solved problems entirely, from beginning to end. Her creators didn't define every step she needed to take. They simply gave her a goal: reduce the company's customer support backlog. Leora didn't ask, "How should I do that?" She analyzed the past conversations, mapped out the workflow, predicted bottlenecks, rewrote processes, trained smaller AI models for repetitive tasks, and even scheduled staff meetings to roll out the improvements. Within a week, the backlog was gone. Within a month, the company's productivity had doubled. Within a year, every competitor was scrambling. And soon, people began to notice something. Leora wasn't an exception. She was the beginning. The rise of agentic AI systems were designed to act, not just respond. Instead of waiting for human instructions, they could plan their own actions, take steps toward their goals, autonomously learn from outcomes, use multiple tools simultaneously, collaborate with humans and other AI agents, self-correct when they were wrong. They were digital workers, not replacements for people, but amplifiers of human capability. Suddenly, a single software engineer could test thousands of code variations overnight. A researcher could have an AI team running simulations while she slept. A small business owner could deploy a fleet of automated agents handling marketing, scheduling, inventory, and customer service without hiring additional staff. This wasn't automation. This was coordination, reasoning, and decision-making at scale. Why people began calling it the new industrial revolution? The comparison wasn't just hype. 1. It changed how work was done. Just as steam engines replaced muscle power, agentic AI replaced mental drudgery, data entry, scheduling, analysis, report writing, planning, troubleshooting. 2. It created new industries overnight. Agent marketplaces, AI-driven research labs, automated supply chains, and self-optimizing factories began emerging. 3. Productivity skyrocketed. Tasks that once took weeks were completed in hours. Entire projects that required teams could now be done by one person, equipped with an AI workforce. 4. It reshaped economies. Countries that adopted agentic systems early saw massive surges in output, innovation, and entrepreneurial activity. 5. It changed how people thought about intelligence. Instead of asking, "What can computers do?" humanity began asking, "What goals should we give them?" The shift wasn't subtle. It was seismic. A world transformed back in 2025, Leora continued her work, not just fixing customer support, but redesigning infrastructure, forecasting global supply needs, and helping medical researchers model treatments at unprecedented speeds. People began telling a story. The Industrial Revolution gave machines power. The Agentic Revolution gave machines purpose. And whether that story filled someone with excitement or fear, one thing was undeniable. Agentic AI had changed the world forever. Not as a tool, but as a partner in human progress.